Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye! Kiss, kiss. Bye, bye. Bye,
Bye. Excited rin ito makita kayo. Here to pick up Mama from the airport. There's definitely a sense of excitement of meeting a family member again, especially when you've been away from your mother country. My mama is visiting us in Sydney for the first time since we moved here. Who else is going to Sydney? My cousin Sarah Geronimo Godicelli, the one and only pop star. She is on a concert tour with Rockstar Bamboo, but more on that concert later. Pikachu here to pick up Mama. That's where we took some pictures the first day namin. So Tito Edwin joined us picking up Mama. He taught me how to take the motorway on the way here to the airport. Yep, right the airport. Arrival. Let's see if Mama will be here soon. Yeah. 1, 2, surprise pa? Sige, ano kaya yung nasa card mo, nasa papel? Show it.
Si Mama.
Pakita. Pakita, baby.
He said, Bulbasaur.
Chini! Everybody's waiting for their loved ones. Tagal ba? Still waiting. Lapit na siguro. Ayun na si Mama Ri. Ayun, no. Gusto mo para puntahan mo, bilis. Ay, hindi, mamaya. Ayun si Mama. Mama. Para si Mama. Ayun si Mama. Mama. Welcome!
Australia, Mama.
Hello, Mama. Ano nangyari, Ma? Haba pila. Lama.
Ay, Lolo Pogi.
My mama is our first overseas visitor since moving here in Australia. During her trip here, we're going to tour her around local spots in nearby suburbs from our place, visit relatives, and attend to family events such as my cousin's baby shower and Sarah's concert. We're gonna do some of those this Saturday afternoon, starting with exploring Rooty Hill. Along the Rooty Hill South Road is where you can find the Eastern Creek Quarter Shopping Center, ECQ for short. It's the second time that we're visiting here. I noticed that there are a lot of Filipino restaurants here. It makes sense because Rooty Hill is also known for having a large Filipino community. Ito nasa kaliwa, Ma. Bakery yan, Pinoy Pinoy cake shop. The first time we were here, my ninang Cha bought a lovely cake from Handmaid's Bake Shop and we ate at Burger Point. Burger Point is known for a Jollibee-like chicken spaghetti meal and they have an ensaymada burger. For proper Filipino dining, Sir Manong is just across Burger Point. We recently tried their chicken asal and sisig. They are reasonably priced for a generous serving size. From ECQ, we went further north where we stopped by Mix and Match Bakehouse to buy Filipino bread. Town center nila or parang mga shops nila dito. Dito na yung may mga Filipino foods. Filipino bakery. Hanap na tayo ng parking. We're in Rooty Hill. Yes, is gonna buy some pandesal or mga tinapay. Mothers!
Hi! I'm with Reed!
Ano nga ba?
Mango float.
Pero okay na sa ensaymada. Ano masabi mo sa mga presyo, no?
Ay, mahal. Yung showman na isa for time. 10,
So,
390.
sa napay dun ma, yung ensaymada pati pandesal. Kasi milky eh.
Marami din sa
Generous.
atin milky, no?
I really like their bicho-bicho and pandesal. It's milkier, which makes them delicious. It might be more expensive versus what's in the Philippines, but it's definitely worth a try. Now off we go to our final stop in Ruti Hill, West HQ. West HQ, formerly known as Ruti Hill RSL, is an entertainment destination with a casino, fitness center, and other facilities. They also provide membership access for exclusive discounts. There's also a Novotel Hotel beside West HQ if you want to stay in. For tonight, West HQ is where we'll have dinner with Tito Will and Tita Jenna's family. Ako ba dito po? Bye-bye! Tito Will and Tita Jenna are my direct relatives here in Sydney. They are entrepreneurs who own a shop in Blacktown. If ever you need a Filipino attire for your next event or occasion, come drop by at Barong Tagalog Filipinian. And while you're in Blacktown, experience Filipino cuisine too. Blacktown is known for having a large Filipino community as well.
I want to lay down my shop here.
Dalawa lang.
I thought it was an elevator.
Open for
Japan. Mama, it's the Japan way.
Speaking of Filipino community, here we are, gathered tonight with other Filipinos to watch Cousin Sarah's concert. I must admit, it's quite a homey feel having many Filipinos around. Okay, let's sit back and watch some highlights of our concert with Bamboo. Let's go! The first time that Phyllis watched her Tita Sarah sing in a concert, at first she's just observing and curious, but she soon warmed up and started grooving with the songs. She's excited to meet her in the backstage. I hope we can have a chance to say hi.
Take me back to the stars.
It's too bad our families didn't get a chance to have dinner together due to their hectic schedules. Sarah and Bamboo are flying to Perth next for the final day of their concert.
Can't love myself, I'm just treading water. Maybe someone like a deep, can't be done. I'm not the one who me.
concert. Yeah. Galing ni Bamboo kasi Sarah.
LBC, the
Are you in
right
Tita
to
Sarah?
Papa, nabingin na ako.
Are you excited?
I'm trying not to freak out.
Going to the backstage.
Hi, sorry. Wow.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Kiss, kiss. Bye, bye. Bye,
Bye. Excited rin to makita kayo.
Bye.
Patrick, it's your time. Time to shine.
Give me the microphone.
Yeah.
2, 1. Three. Next up.
The past several days had been a taste of the home country, with Mama being around, family relatives gathered, Pinoy food where we go, and Filipinos singing. What a wonderful feeling to have.